Minasan konnichiwa. Today we are going to learn lesson 8 kanji. This lesson covers kanji for common adjectives. First, let's learn the Kunyomi readings. Then we will move on the Onyomi readings. First kanji is oki. Oki means big. Kunyomi examples: oki. Oki means big or large. Second one, oami. Oami means heavy rain. Third one, ozora. Ozora means big sky. Onyomi of this kanji is dai or thai. Examples: daigaku. Daigaku means university. Second one, taikai. Taikai means tournament or competition. Third one, Asia Taikai. Asia Taikai means Asian Games. This kanji has a special reading. Otona. Otona means adult. Second kanji is chisai. Chisai means small. Kunyomi examples: chisai neko. Chisai neko means small cat. Onyomi of this kanji is sho. Examples: shogakko. Shogakko means elementary school. Second one, shogakusei. Shogakusei means elementary school student. This kanji has many special readings. Ogawa. Ogawa means small stream. Kotori. Kotori means small bird. Koinu. Koinu means puppy. Third kanji is takai. Takai means high or expensive. Kunyomi examples: Takayama. Takayama means high mountain. Onyomi of this kanji is ko. Examples: koko. Koko means high school. Second one, kokosei. Kokosei means high school student. Yendaka. Yendaka. This is a special compound reading used in economics and finance. Fourth kanji is yasui. Yasui means cheap. Onyomi of this kanji is an. Examples: anzen. Anzen means safe or safety. Anshinsuru. Anshinsuru means to be relieved. Fifth kanji is atarashi. Atarashi means new. Onyomi of this kanji is shin. Examples: shinbun. Shinbun means newspaper. Shinjin. Shinjin means newcomer. Shinnen. Shinnen means new year. Sixth kanji is furui. Furui means old. Kunyomi examples: furuie. Furuie means old house. Furuhon. Furuhon means second-hand books. Onyomi of this kanji is ko. Examples: chukosha. Chukosha means used car. Second one, kodai. Kodai means ancient times. Seventh kanji is nagai. Nagai means long. Kunyomi examples: nagai michi. Nagai michi means long road. Nagai kami. Nagai kami means long hair. Nagai kawa. Nagai kawa means long river. Onyomi of this kanji is cho. Examples: shacho. Shacho means company president. Gakucho. Gakucho means university president. Kocho. Kocho means school principal. Eighth kanji is oi. Oi means many or much. Kunyomi examples: hitoga oi. Hitoga oi means there are many people. Onyomi of this kanji is ta. Examples: tasho. Tasho means a little. Second one, tasuketsu. Tasuketsu means decision by majority. This kanji has two kunyomi readings, sukunai and sukoshi. Onyomi of this kanji is sho. Examples: shonen. Shonen means boy. Second one, shocho. Shocho means girl. Third one, shoryo. Shoryo means small amount. The last kanji is hayai. Hayai means early or fast. Kunyomi example: hayaokuri. Hayaokuri means fast forward. Onyomi of this kanji is so. So. Examples: socho. Socho means early morning. Second example, sotai. Sotai means leaving early. That's all for today's lesson. See you in the next video. Matane.